Hi, it's me, Axel, and I'm gonna teach you how to fix your slime. Like, it's kind of hard and it doesn't work that much into like pretty slime like this. Like this. And I also have another one that's pink. So, what you're gonna need is slime, of course. And then you're gonna want to get some lotion, warm water, a place to make it on. Like, I'm gonna make it on this thing. Then shaving cream. I'm just using Gillette. And just in case, eye contact solution and baking soda. And something to mix with. And to store it in a bag or a container. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to get some warm water and you're going to want to dip your slime in it, like halfway, and then mix it all, but don't mix it completely. Just mix it by a little bit. There. Now you're going to want to get the thing that you're going to make it on, and it already has some from the previous one. And you're going to want to get your shaving cream and put it all over there. It still has a lot. And yeah. And it depends how much you put. So like, I'm going to put like 8 pumps of lotion. And get something to mix with, like I'm using a spoon, but I'm using the bottom side, and mix it up. Okay. And try not to like put a lot, but put like a tiny pinch of baking soda and mix it up once more. So then you're going to want to get your slime and you're going to want to put it in the shaving cream, but you're going to want to flatten it out a little bit. And there. So you could kind of see it right there. Now you're going to want to flip it over and over again. And if you hear walking or knocking, that's my mom, so just ignore that. Then you're just going to want to mix it in the shaving cream for a while. It's going to take a while. And I'm just going to remind you, use a slime that has a lot of color, like, because the shaving cream will kind of like lose its color, like make it really light kind of. And I'm just going to take it out the shaving cream because way too much. And mix it in. And the more shaving cream you put in it, the bigger it gets, bigger and bigger. The more it's going to grow from the shaving cream. Okay, now I'm just going to use both of my hands. And this is going to need some baking soda and eye contact solution. So what I do to make slime is I just put the glue in, then I put the coloring in. But if it's paint, I don't put it until the end. But if it's food coloring, then I just put it in the beginning. And you're going to want to put some baking soda on it. I'm putting a pinch of it in. and mix it in there. Looks like butter slime, but it's not. And you're gonna want to get your contact solution and put it in there little by little. That's basically how I make it, but I don't use 1 pinch, I use 2 pinches. If it's a bigger batch, then I use 4 pinches of baking soda. And I really like it when it's kind of light because it looks pastel, and I love pastel colors. See how it's not sticking to me that much anymore? But it's kind of sticking to me. I'm wrong. I'm just going to add in more baking soda. Okay. And add in more contact solution. And you don't even need a lot of contact solution. I have like a little bit more than half of it, and I used a whole 7-ounce glue bottle. But this is not a whole. It looks big, but it's not that big. Like, it's little. It's not sticking to me that much anymore, but it's still sticking. And I'm gonna just measure it out because I don't want it to overgo the line. See? So here's my purple, here's my blue, and here's my pink. And I'm gonna make my pink more like bigger. So my blue is already starting to get way like bigger and better and less sticky. Okay, so that's the last amount of contact solution I'm gonna use because it doesn't really need a lot. So after I mix this in, I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna start on the pink. Okay, so I just mixed in the blue like with the contact solution, and it's not that sticky anymore, and I really like it. And I'm gonna get my pink out and make it bigger with the shaving foam. So that's another trick. So, up. And just plop it in there. And the lotion makes it like more moist, having like more moisture, and it makes it kind of soft. And yeah, I don't even know other ways to describe it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the before and after of it being big. So here is the before. Here is the after of mixing everything and putting contact solution, fixing it the way that I used the method before. And now I could show you all 3 of my slimes, which are pastel. And this is the pink one. This is the blue one. This is the purple. You can't see it a lot. Oh, you can't see it. There, that's the purple. And yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making this video. And like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, because this is my first video. And bye. Thank you.